This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Band 8 to a Redmi phone. First, let's get started with some essential preparations. Make sure your Huawei Band 8 has a full charge, and your Redmi phone is charged to at least 50%. Next, you'll need to download and install the Huawei Health application from your phone's App Store. Finally, ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on your Redmi phone, as this is crucial for the connection process. Now that your devices are ready, let's move on to the pairing process. Open the Huawei Health application on your Redmi phone. Once inside the app, look for the Devices section, usually found at the bottom or top of the screen, and tap on Add Device. From the categories, select Smart Bands, and then specifically choose Huawei Band 8. The application will then automatically start searching for your band, which should be nearby. Once the app finds your Huawei Band 8, a pairing request will pop up on both your Redmi phone and the band itself. On your phone, simply tap Pair or Connect to initiate the link. Simultaneously, you'll need to confirm this action directly on your Huawei Band 8 by tapping the checkmark or the designated confirmation button on its screen. After these steps, your devices will be successfully connected, and you can begin enjoying all the features of your new smart band. Sometimes, connections don't go perfectly on the first try. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your Redmi phone and your Huawei Band 8 can often resolve them. Also, double-check that the Huawei Health app has all the necessary permissions enabled in your phone settings. For the best pairing experience, keep your devices close, ideally within 1 meter of each other. Finally, remember to regularly update the Huawei Health app and your band's firmware to ensure optimal performance and access to the latest features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.